The moon, Earth's closest celestial neighbor, has long fascinated humanity. However, in the 21st century, this fascination is shifting from exploration to economic potential. With advancements in technology and increasing interest from governments and private companies, the moon is poised to become a cornerstone of future space economies. Historical context. During the 20th century, the moon was primarily a site for exploration and geopolitical rivalry. The Apollo program marked humanity's first steps on the lunar surface, but its primary goal was to demonstrate technological and political dominance. Today, the moon represents far more than a scientific milestone. It is a valuable asset with untapped economic opportunities. Lunar mining. One of the most significant aspects of the moon's economic potential lies in its resources. The lunar regolith, or surface material, contains a variety of valuable elements, including rare earth metals, titanium, and helium-3. Helium-3, in particular, is a sought-after isotope that could revolutionize nuclear fusion, offering a clean and virtually limitless energy source. The importance of helium-3. Helium-3 is incredibly rare on Earth but abundant on the moon. In science fiction and real-world discussions, it has been described as the oil of the future. If fusion reactors capable of using helium-3 are developed, the moon could become the primary source for this energy revolution, creating a trillion-dollar industry. Construction materials for space. The moon's regolith also contains materials like aluminum, silicon, and oxygen, which could be used for constructing habitats, solar panels, and other structures in space. Transporting materials from Earth to space is prohibitively expensive, but sourcing them from the moon could significantly reduce costs, making large-scale space projects feasible. Lunar water. The key to sustainability. Water ice discovered at the moon's poles is another critical resource. This ice can be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen, which can be used for life support and as rocket fuel. Lunar water could support long-term habitation on the moon and serve as a refueling station for missions deeper into the solar system. Spaceports and refueling stations. The moon's low gravity makes it an ideal location for launching spacecraft. Future spaceports on the moon could become key hubs in the space economy, providing refueling and maintenance services for missions traveling to Mars, asteroids, and beyond. This would reduce the costs and challenges of interplanetary travel. Lunar tourism. The moon also holds potential as a destination for space tourism. As private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin lower the cost of space travel, lunar tourism could become a lucrative industry. From guided tours of historical Apollo landing sites to luxury stays in moon-based hotels, the possibilities are endless. The role of private companies. Private companies are playing a significant role in the moon's economic future. Firms like Astrobotic, iSpace, and SpaceX are actively developing technologies for lunar exploration and resource extraction. These companies are not only advancing technology, but also establishing the framework for a thriving lunar economy. The Artemis program, an international collaboration. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon and establish a sustainable presence. International partnerships with agencies like ESA, JAXA, and private companies are laying the groundwork for a cooperative lunar economy. These collaborations demonstrate the global interest in utilizing the moon's resources. The Moon Village concept. The European Space Agency, ESA, has proposed the idea of a moon village, a collaborative international base on the moon. This concept envisions multiple countries and companies contributing to a shared infrastructure, fostering a cooperative approach to lunar development. Geopolitical implications. As nations and corporations vie for a foothold on the moon, questions about ownership and governance arise. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967 prohibits any nation from claiming the moon, but its resources remain a gray area. Developing fair and effective policies will be essential for avoiding conflicts. The role of space laws. Lunar resource extraction will require clear legal frameworks. The Artemis Accords, signed by multiple nations, aim to establish norms for peaceful and cooperative lunar activities. However, balancing the interests of various stakeholders will be a challenge. Lunar telecommunications. Building a lunar economy will require advanced telecommunications infrastructure. Companies like Nokia are already working on deploying 4G networks on the moon, which will be essential for communication, navigation, and remote operations. The economic ripple effect. The development of a lunar economy will have ripple effects on Earth. It will drive advancements in robotics, AI, and other technologies, creating new industries and job opportunities. The moon could become a catalyst for global economic growth. Environmental and ethical considerations. As we develop the moon, it's crucial to consider environmental and ethical concerns. Preserving the moon's natural state while balancing economic interests will be a challenge. Establishing sustainable practices will ensure the moon's resources benefit humanity without causing harm. The moon as a gateway to Mars. The moon's role in the space economy extends beyond its resources. It serves as a testing ground and launchpad for future Mars missions. The experience gained from lunar development will be invaluable for tackling the challenges of interplanetary colonization. Space-based energy production. The moon could also play a role in space-based solar power systems. By placing solar panels on the lunar surface and transmitting energy back to Earth, we could generate clean energy on a massive scale, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. The vision of a multiplanetary economy. The moon is just the first step toward a multiplanetary economy. Its development will set the stage for humanity's expansion into the solar system, creating new opportunities for exploration, commerce, and innovation. Conclusion. The moon's role in future space economies is multifaceted, from mining and tourism to serving as a gateway for deeper space exploration. As humanity stands on the brink of this new frontier, the moon offers a wealth of opportunities that could reshape our civilization and secure our place as an interplanetary species. By balancing innovation with sustainability, we can unlock the moon's full potential and ensure its resources benefit generations to come. Let me know if you'd like to refine or expand any section.